How to schedule a YouTube video. Let's get started. First, open YouTube and click on the Create button in the top right corner, then select Upload Video. Now choose the video file you want to upload from your device. Once selected, you'll be taken to the Video Details page. Here, add your title, description, and thumbnail as required. After filling in the details, click Next. On the next screens, you can add video elements like end screens or cards if needed. Then continue clicking Next until you reach the final step. Now you will see the visibility options. To schedule your video, select the Schedule option. Then choose the exact date and time when you want your video to go live. YouTube allows you to pick time slots in 15-minute intervals. Once everything is set, click the Schedule button. Your video will now upload and process in the background, and it will automatically go live at the time you selected. That's it. Your video is successfully scheduled. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.